Let's make mushroom and spinach pasta today. We will start by making white sauce. Take oil in a pan and add butter to it. Once melted, add garlic, cook it. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or wheat flour. Cook it till you see the raw smell of flour is gone. Then add milk. I am using half liter of milk here and you have to add milk in 3 parts. So there goes my first part, and once you add the milk you have to whisk it continuously so that no lumps are formed. Let it come to a boil and you can see that now it has thickened. That is when I have added second part of the milk. And in the meantime, boil water in another pan for pasta. I have added salt to the water. And here you go, add the third part of milk as well and let it cook for some time. Once the water has boiled, add pasta and let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes to al dente. Now we'll cook the mushrooms and veggies. Similarly, in a pan, add oil, butter, garlic and onion. Saute the onions till they are translucent. Keep stirring your white sauce, you don't want it to stick around the pan. Once you have this beautiful pink color, add mushrooms to it. Saute it till it releases its juices and water. Then add salt as per your taste and black pepper. If you want, you can use the fresh basil leaves. What I do is I make pesto sauce and I freeze it, and whenever I'm making pasta I add a bit of it to the pasta sauce. And here I'm adding the link also to how to make your own pesto at home. Do check it out. Mushroom looks that it's almost done, so we'll keep it aside. And pasta also looks ready, so we'll strain them out. To the white sauce, if you want, you can add cheese. Again, it is totally optional. Add the veggies to the sauce. Let it mix and then add pasta as well. And if you feel that if it is getting very thick, you can add some pasta water to it. Let it cook for another 5 minutes for it to all to come together. In the meantime, chop your spinach. I'm chopping it in this ribbon like form. Add it to the pot. Then add chopped olives. I've transferred it to a baking dish. I like to bake my pasta, so I've added cheese on top and added breadcrumbs also. Again, it is totally optional, but it gives a nice crunch to it and a texture. Add seasonings on top and let it cook in oven for around 5 minutes, and it is ready for you. Thank you.